Now, Ferrari F8 Spider. Oh, what a car. They're drying up. There's less and less cars for sale. I think currently there's about 6 Spiders for sale. There's only one other in Rosso Corsa. This car, just look at the spec. Look at the way it looks from the outside. For me, the best Ferrari ever produced. One of the last true V8s. Rosso Corsa 2022, carbon fibre interior, large Daytona racing seats, contrasting black roof. You've got your wheels, which have been done in black as well with the yellow calipers, ceramic brakes. What a car that is. It just sits and looks absolutely tremendous. They're holding the money tremendously well. Like I touched on, there isn't many cars available because people are buying them and they're keeping them. And that's what happens. People buy them, they see there's not many cars coming on the market, they keep them, then that means there's not many cars for sale, and then you get something like this going on the market, suspension lifter. It's just a wonderful car, and I think the shape, everything about it, the way it was designed with that new front, with that big air intake on the bonnet there, it just sits and looks beautiful, the car. But I think you can look at other F8 Spiders for sale online. You'll see the odd grey, but I just think Rosso Corsa, the way it's spec'd, the interior, it all works. The car's done 3,800 miles. You've got your Ferrari maintenance and warranty for 7 years. It's just a great car. Scooter rear shields. You've got the little sections. You've got them big air intakes on the rear quarters there. And then as you move around the rear, you can see it, just them lights and everything. It just looks absolutely tremendous from the back. It's got parking sensors and it's got your reversing camera. That's actually an option. And it just looks absolutely superb. Inside, you've got your contrast stitching. You've got your kick plates, which are in carbon. Central bridge, driver zone. All important nose lift as well. I'll just show you the back of these seats, carbon fibre seats. Look at them. And I think, you know, I've seen other cars with crema inside. I just think with the black, with that red piping in them seats, is the right interior colour. It always, you know, it doesn't mark up. Listen to that. 710 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds, and you can put the roof down. It is beautiful, this car. The more you look at it, it just looks absolutely superb. We're going to price it to sell it. I think the other closest car in Rosso like this is retailing for about another £7,000 or £8,000. It's got the right spec. I'll show you put it in reverse and just show you. So you've got your camera, which is an important one. Little button there, which is your nose lift, as I've mentioned. Again, an important extra. Just a wonderful car. F8 Spider, huge specification, price to sell. Going live on the website. I love this car. What a car.